Hi, I'm John Kelly. I'm an attorney practicing in vulnerable adult cases. In this chapter, we'll talk about common defense tactics in vulnerable adult abuse and neglect cases and how to counter them with facts, strategy, and a clear moral narrative. We've covered how these injuries happen, what they look like, and how to report and preserve the evidence, and how the damages are built. Now, in this chapter, we're going to have to talk about the other side, because in civil cases, the defense rarely says, "You're right, we failed. Here's fair compensation." They have a playbook, and if you've handled these cases such as I have, you already know the playbook is designed to confuse, fatigue, and devalue your case. So let's expose it as best as we can. Now, one more strategy point that is important: credibility. The defense often attacks credibility because it's easier than defending bad care. They may say the family is exaggerating. They may suggest the family is motivated by money. They may nitpick small inconsistencies, which is very common. So as the plaintiff's side, you do three things. First, you tell the truth plainly, even the inconvenient parts. If the resident had dementia, you say it. If the resident had prior fall history, you say it. You don't hide reality, you frame it. And your attorney, like myself, can help you with this framing. Second, you focus on the strongest, most provable failures. Not every complaint needs to be in the case. Pick the failures that are documented, repeated, and clearly tied to the harm. Third, you humanize without melodrama. You don't need to scream. Let the facts breathe for themselves. A photo of a pressure injury doesn't need a speech. A timeline of weight loss doesn't need theatrics. A hospital record documenting dehydration speaks in cold, clean voice that juries will trust. To conclude this chapter, the Defense Playbook is designed to make the harm seem normal, inevitable, and unprovable. Our job is to show that it was foreseeable, preventable, and documented. And when you do that, the playbook burns. Now, after going over this information, if you have questions or have a loved one that's a vulnerable adult that needs help in the legal sense, we're happy to help. We help people nationwide. You can reach us at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.